Today we're going to cook the canard à l'orange, which is a big French classic. When cooking duck, for it to come out perfectly, you need to have prick the skin cooked. You must put a decent amount of seasoning inside the cavity. So that goes in the oven. So it's perfect. You can taste the pork. The skin is getting brown. It smells absolutely incredible. I mean, duck fat is like mother's milk. The duck is in the oven, which, that's a big thing because now you've got 2.5 hours to kill. So I want to show you how to make an amazing asparagus sides. It's one of my favorite dishes. Just be delicate with this, be gentle. It's nice if all the tips are facing the right way. So this is ready. As you can see, the almonds have changed color. It smells absolutely incredible. Combination of parmesan, almond, butter, and then elegant asparagus. A feast is generally a massive table spread with beautiful food on the table, but I always like to put a little starter, something that takes care of that initial ravenousness. And in this case, that little potato cake, salmon, and creme fraiche on top. It's going to be just perfect. A bit of rocket. It's absolutely gorgeous. Personally, I love carving at the table around Christmas time or whenever there's a feast. And it's fun and tricky, and you look good when you can carve a bird. Pour a little bit of sauce. You can see those beautiful orange zest, and there's a little bit of the orange marmalade on this now, and it looks beautiful and shiny. And voila, boom, it's going to be a lovely Christmas.